Hi friends, today we will discuss on an important topic which is very common to all of us, self-talk. Self-talk is talking to yourself. It is your internal dialogue and everybody does it day in and out. We talk to ourselves not knowing what we are talking, but we need to check what really we are talking. Is it that we are talking positively or we are talking negatively? That we'll discuss. Now, self-talk reveals your thoughts, feelings, beliefs, ideas and doubts. It reveals your physical and mental personality and is influenced by your subconscious mind. Self-talk can be negative or positive. It can be distressing or encouraging. If you are a pessimist, your self-talk will mostly be negative as you will feel disgust. Positive self-talks are beneficial. It is fed by your personal qualities like optimism, resiliency. One should try to indulge in positive self-talks to prosper in life by fulfilling objectives. One should learn how to shift from negative to positive self-talks, which will help you to improve performances. You should think that in whatever you are talking to yourself, everybody talks to themselves. Everyone talks. Before taking any decision, we talk to ourselves. Knowingly or unknowingly, we talk to ourselves and take a decision. So how do you talk to ourselves, either positively or negatively? Positive self-talk pays. Positive self-talk pays. And positive self-talks and positive psychological capital offer a lot of benefits. For example, increased courage. It gives improved life satisfaction. Better physical health. It boosts immunity. Less stress. Increased longevity. Better mental capability. If we think positively, normally we will be going ahead in a positive manner. So improve self-inspiration, strengthen confidence, helps in planning and execution. These are some examples and it has many benefits other than this also. So it is felt people who practice more positive self-talks possess enough mental skills, think differently, and can cope with hardships better. On the other way, if you remain engaged in negative self-talks, as we will be discussing now, it will increasingly yield negative results. So what should we do? We should know whether we mostly talk to ourselves in negative manner or positive manner, and how we can change ourselves to get better results to fulfill our objectives. So negative self-talks, example is blaming yourself for many events. So suppose you have failed in some case and you are blaming yourself, I have not done well for this. So this blaming yourself is not good event. Expressing inability to cope with daily tasks, challenges of environment is also a negative thought, negative self-talk. If you often expect the worst and hardly place logic for the best time to come, it is negative self-talk. You often expect the worst and hardly place logic for the best to come. Often feel achieving goals is almost impossible and so express to yourself. So that is not good. You should feel nothing is impossible. Everything is possible and can be done. There are ways. We will have to look for the opportunities. We will have to look for the ways. In what way we should go. We should try to be innovative. Innovation does not mean that you take out the best possible means. No, you find out a lot of alternatives, and automatically you will choose one. You judge the world good or bad, not thinking something may be in the middle. You think more on negative side of any situation, even if that cannot materialize. So if you are negatively minded, if you are engaged in negative self-talk, you will think more on negative side of any situation. Even if that may not materialize, that may not come up in life any day. For example, you may think you are afflicted with urinary tract infection, as you are often required to go for urination and your bowel is not getting clear for free flow. Actually, it may be due to drinking less amount of water, especially in summer season when your body requires more water. More you think negatively, more your self-talks will be negatively oriented. So try to correct yourself. If you change your mind with positive logic on your thoughts, it will not disappoint you. You may later on feel proud of yourself for at least trying to think and trying to go ahead in positive ways, taking courage. Positive thinking and self-talks need practice. So practice self-talk at 5 levels as revealed by author Saad Helmstetter. Negative acceptance, recognition and need to change. Negative acceptance, recognition and need to change. Decision to change. The better you and universal affirmation. So these 5 stages are very important, 5 levels are very important, and make your self-talk work for you. Be aware of your negative self-traps. To get rid of negative self-talks, you need to know how you think. How can you change it? You can always change it. Practice monitoring positive affirmations. Practice morning positive affirmation. What you are doing, are you doing regularly? If not, then do it. Be more with positive minded people. Read good books, learn continuously and improve your knowledge base. Be more concerned to improve self-confidence, which can be done through more positive self-talks. So you must be more concerned to improve your self-confidence, and self-talk can help you in that manner. Practice self-compassion. Don't blame yourself. Get rid of this blame game. You may think, I look ugly with wrinkled skin, grey hair, slim body structure. It is impossible to have a good look with this type to impress others. But this may not be true. You may be better than many people in this world. There is no end of perfection. You may think to improve your daily habits and slowly develop your outlook. Positive thinking culture to inculcate, which will initiate your positive self-talks. So start talking positively with you. Once you think to do something in the right way, you will automatically plan for the same in your mind, and you will start talking in yourself in the same fashion. Language matters. How you think is important. Spend time to check how you think and how you can improve to be able to fulfill your goals. Ask yourself, are you truthful to yourself? Are you overacting? Are you over-criticizing yourself, or are you in the right path? Change gear if required. Ask yourself, how ridiculous, I cannot even try for 1 week what I want to achieve and what is so important to me. Think you can win. Read good blogs from psychology.com, healthline.com or something like that. There are many more. Google is a very good teacher now. Be conscious for your inner voice based on unconscious beliefs and biases. It can take a toll on your confidence level. Closely monitor your self-talks. You may silence your inner critic by self-transcendence, thinking as bigger picture. For example, the world at large. Negative self-talk is like energy drain. It's like invisible illness. Stop toxic thinking. It destroys relationship. Stop self-sabotaging. Have a good life. Thank you.